Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to connect GitHub to Power BI, track repos and commits. Connecting GitHub to Power BI is an incredibly useful skill, whether you're a developer looking to analyze your repository activity, a project manager wanting to keep track of issues, or simply someone eager to gain smarter insights from your codebase. This tutorial is designed to guide you through the process of linking these two powerful platforms in several straightforward steps. By the end of this video, you'll have the ability to transform your GitHub data into stunning interactive reports within Power BI. This is not just about numbers and charts, it's about making your data come alive. To begin, the first step is signing in to the Power BI service. This is essentially the online hub where all your data is collected and visualized. Head over to the Power BI website and log in with your credentials. If you're new to this, don't worry. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, with plenty of options clearly laid out in the main navigation pane. Make sure you're using the account where you want all your GitHub data to be stored and managed. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the navigation pane located on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see an option labeled Apps. Now, in Power BI, apps are like pre-packaged solutions that facilitate quick connections to external services such as GitHub, without the need for any coding. Click on Apps, and then find the Get Apps button, typically positioned at the top right corner. This button is your gateway to all the additional data sources you can integrate with Power BI. The next step involves locating the GitHub app. You'll notice a search box. Type in GitHub. You might see multiple results, especially if you have other integrations available. It's crucial to select the official GitHub app from this list. Look for a familiar icon and a description that matches your expectations. Then, click on it. Once you've chosen the GitHub app, you'll encounter an option labeled Get It Now. This is a common step for installing new apps. Just click on Get It Now, and you may need to confirm your choice by clicking Install. The installation process is usually swift, but if there's a slight delay, don't worry. Power BI is just setting things up behind the scenes. After the installation is complete, a notification will pop up confirming that your new app is ready. Sometimes you might need to refresh your browser, but typically there will be a convenient button that says Go to App. Click this, and you'll be transported directly to the app's landing page within Power BI. It's like opening a brand new dashboard, primed for you to connect and explore your GitHub data. You'll find a prompt to connect your data. Search for the Connect Your Data button, which might be prominently placed in the center or at the top. Click on it, and Power BI will request the necessary permissions and credentials. The connection process might require you to sign into your GitHub account and grant access to the relevant repositories. If you encounter any issues, double-check your permissions. Sometimes the app needs a bit more access to synchronize the data you wish to analyze. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your GitHub account to Power BI. From here, you can start importing data, customizing your dashboards, and building visualizations that make sense for your projects. Remember, integrating powerful tools like GitHub and Power BI is all about saving time and uncovering new insights, so you're definitely on the right track. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to connect GitHub to Power BI, track repos and commits, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.